Friends, now in this video session we'll discuss about how to create batches, then how to set up date of manufacturing and date of expiry, then how to allow and how to disallow for expired products sales in Tally application.
So here I'm going to create a new company as the name of SASB Traders. For example, the company name is as SASB Traders. I just created a company, and after that I would like to create some products in this company, and that is just go to inventory info, stock items, and create inventory info, stock items, and create, and where I would like to enter some product name. So for example, the product name is called as the close-up, right? The close-up is the toothpaste which have the date of manufacturing as well as the date of expiry as well. So when you are going to involve in the manufacturing and expiry batches, first before creating the product you need to activate a feature by pressing F11. Just press F11 and go to inventory features. There you need to activate a feature called as maintain batch wise details, yes, and also you need to activate set expiry date for batches, yes, and then directly Ctrl+A for save, and after that just go to inventory info, stock items, create. Here I'm going to create a product name as called as, for example, the close-up, and just press enter. The measurement is in numbers. So I just created only one product, and now the system is asking me about, do you like to maintain this product in the batches? Yes, of course I would like to maintain in batches, and again system is giving a chance, the second chance, to enable whether you would like to track date of manufacturing. Of course yes. And the next one is that again use expiry dates. Of course even these two, yes. I just activated the same. So now after that, when I go to, so assume that on 1st April we are buying goods, and I'm just going to record the purchase voucher. Just assume that we are purchasing some product, purchase under purchase account, and just select the close-up. When you select close-up, automatically system will show the list of available and active batches in the name of the in the name of the close-up. Now close-up is a new company that which we are creating right now. There is no existing batches in the name of close-up, right? So I'm just accepting the same as regular. Just simply select new number. I'm going to enter the new number as a batch number, as for example batch number 1234, and this, just assume that this batch was in this batch we are buying goods around 100 number of stock at the rate of 8 rupees each. So we just purchased goods from X party, and the batch number is 1234, the quantity 100, the rate 8 rupees. Just assume that it is manufactured on March. Just assume that it is, and if you once enter, simply select end of list. So whenever I'm recording the purchase voucher, I have just created a batch along with the date of manufacturing and also even the date of expiry as well, right? So Ctrl+C save. Now I'm just trying to pass a sales voucher in the company on 1st April. So on 1st April, can I record a sales voucher? Can I sell this product to my customer? Yes. Now let us have a look into the same. Yes, it is, the available stock is 100. Yes, the available batch number is 1234, which is going to expire on 30th of June, and of course I'm selling now around 40 number of close-up at the rate of 14 rupees each. Yes, we have recorded it on 1st April. Now I would like to pass the voucher on even 1st of June. Can we sell these goods to the customers on 1st of June? Yes, we can. I'll just show once again. Sales, again we are selling, assume that we are selling more 10 numbers from the same batch which is going to expire on 30th of June, which is going to be expire on 30th of June. Yes. Actually, now after recording given this, can I sell the goods to my customer on the date of expiry? Is it possible? Yes, it is allowed, as legally it is, you are permissible to sell the goods even on the last date of expiry as well. Yes. So I'm going to select as the close-up. Yes, the total available stock is 50 numbers. Yes, the available batch number is 1234, and the stock available around 50 numbers. So from this batch again we are selling more 10 number of quantity on 30th of June. Actually, now my question is that, can we record a sales voucher on 1st of July? Yes, we'll just see how, whether it is going to give a chance to pass the voucher or not. We'll just check it out whether the tally is going to track the date of expiry or not. So just I'm trying to pass. Of course the stock is available, yes, the stock is available in our store. Total 40 number of stock is available but in our store, but when you press enter it is not going to display batch number, even it is not giving a chance to sell the product, because of course you have a stock but there is no active batches on 1st of July. Yes, there is an active batches on 30th of June, but there is no active batches on 1st of July, because whatever the batches that you created all are expired, right? So this is how, so this will help you to track the see, it is illegal to sell the goods if it is once expired, right? It is legally not allowed to sell the goods if it is once expired. So it is very important to track whether it is expired or not, and this will help you likely on all chemical companies or the medical shop. They are using all these facilities as well as regular. And for some time, perhaps if you want to sell the goods even after date of expiry, or if you want to return to some ex party, or if you want to return to or if you want to sell to some ex party as a scrap, right, as a scrap at least. So sometimes it requires to sell the good even if it is expired, right? So in that cases, by default Tally never allows you once if it is expired. If you want to if you want to sell the goods which is expired, then directly press F12 and just go and activate. See, now my screen was very so condensed, so just once again press F12 for more options. Here you may access a feature called as allow use of expired batches for all stock items. Yes, if you want to sell a product which is already expired, in that cases just press enter. Now you may see that system is going to display even the batch number, even the date of expiry as well, right? So this is how we maintain batch wise accounts in Tally application. And also if you want to know the batch summary, just go to display and open inventory books. There you just open batches. If you want to open batches, if you want to select the product, the system is going to display the total list of available batches in the name of a close-up. There will be only one batch. Press enter, you may see that here it is going to declare the stock item close-up, batch name 1234, manufacturing date on 1st May, 1st of March, is going to expire on 30th of June. So here it is going to show some inward and outward and the closing stock as well. This is how we just maintain book of accounts for a product having batches with the date of manufacturing as well as the date of expiry. Thank you.